First up, we have to talk serious. It's about the safety of the pit them and them where I go school. Enough people are pushed out set up on proper school bus system here in Jamaica. And me tell you, them have good reason. Too much of we pitney, especially out of country area, traveling in some dangerous way when not safe at all. Sad to say, but the results are showing up in the public health system. From 2022 to 2024 alone, more than 60 pitney lose them life in a road crash. A caregiver get charged after them find the mummified body of one elderly woman in her house. Them claim it did it for nearly 2 years now. The body get discovered Sunday gone in a Old Hope district, Little London. The caregiver, 54-year-old Gina Robinson, says she keep the body because she get a divine vision where God tell her to bury the woman or even report the dead. She claimed the woman never saved and she never want to go to hell. The woman, Viola Destin, believed she dead from December 10, 2023.